Hey everyone, it's Andrew with Biamp, and in today's world where video conferencing is more important than ever, we need to make sure that our video and audio are heard and seen clearly. Usually the weakest link is the built-in computer's microphone or camera. Luckily, Biamp has a product that can fix all this. Let's see what they sent me. So here it is, guys. This is how it comes straight from the factory. The first thing you see on the top is the installation guide. We definitely don't need that. We're pros, right? Next up, we have this bag of goodies with zip ties and connectors. We're definitely gonna need those. Here is the star of the show. This is the Devio SCR-25 with Bluetooth and beam tracking microphones. The first port on the left is the USB port where you can connect your computer or laptop. Next, we have two additional USB ports that can act like a USB hub for all your peripheral devices. Then we have an HDMI input for your video out. And these lights let you know everything is working correctly. Don't forget that you can connect your phone via Bluetooth and play your favorite audio. Let's take a look at the back. Here's where you can connect the power. Here is the network connection. And this yellow connector is where you can connect your own speakers with the Devio amplifier. You can also connect your phone's headset here, and these RCA outputs could be connected directly to a soundbar. This port allows you to connect your beam tracking microphone, so no matter where you are in the room, we can follow your voice. Here is the auto setup button that can quickly tune the system through the speaker output. Just press here and the speaker will automatically test and optimize itself to the space. Then we have two HDMI outputs that can connect your displays or monitors. And lastly, one additional USB input. Looking at the bottom, you can see the mounting bracket that easily allows you to mount the Devio underneath a desk or table. Here is the beam tracking microphone. This one is the TTM-X that can sit on top of a table, but they also have one that can be mounted from the ceiling. It has an LED ring that glows red or green depending on the mute state. With Microsoft Teams and Zoom, they now have mute sync capability. In my small desk, I prefer to use the yellow amplifier output directly to a Cubo 3 speaker. This 3-inch cube-shaped speaker can sit unobtrusively on a desk or mount with these magnetic cover plates to hide the brackets. Hey everyone, these are just a few of the great products Biamp has to offer. For a full list of how we can make your next audio and video experience exceptional, please visit our website at biamp.com or contact us at biampinfo@biamp.com. And if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, just let us know in the comments below.